How to resell Temu products. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can resell Temu products. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Temu, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Temu, it is a rapidly growing e-commerce platform in which it operates as an online marketplace that connects consumers directly with manufacturers and suppliers, primarily from China, allowing for a vast selection of products at significantly reduced prices. And also the platform features an extensive array of products categories including electronics, fashion and home goods, beauty products and many more. So basically from here, all you need to do is simply sign in your account on Temu, so you could also click the link in the description to sign up. And we're also going to use this platform called Shopify in order to resell some of the products from Temu, in which it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online stores with ease. And also this platform offers a comprehensive suite of services including payment processing, marketing tools, shipping solutions, and customer engagement features. And now to sign up on this platform, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after that, you'll now be able to start logging in here. And after signing in your Shopify, you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Shopify, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But now to proceed, we're going to install an application, so just click this Add Apps on the left side panel and click Shopify App Store button below here. In which by clicking this one, it will be directed us on this page, and from here it will show us a variety of application, but just go to the search bar and kindly search Raba Import. And after that, it will show you in here the results. So kind of click this one, in which this product will be the one that will help us to resell the products from Temu to our Shopify in here. So now to proceed, kind of click this install button, and after clicking on it, you'll be directed in here, and just click again the install button, and after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page of Robo, and it will show you the step-by-step process on how to use it. So the first one, or the first step, is to get an extension here. So you could also click this button, get extension here. Then you will be directed in this Chrome extension or web store. Then just proceed by clicking Add to Chrome button below here to start adding this as your extension. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. And below you could also see some other details about it. And after installing, you can start setting this or start pinning in our search bar in here. And it will show you this is now basically the Robo. And now to proceed, just simply go to your Temu account. So make sure that you also sign in your account on Temu. And below, all we need to do is to simply look for kind of products that we want to resell to our Shopify account. So you could also click these bestsellers, 5-star rated, Black Friday, and new arrivals, and other categories in here. But let's say in those options, I'm going to choose these bestsellers. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you a variety of bestsellers product. So from here, all you need to do is simply choose which kind of product do you want to resell. So let's say I'm going to click this one, which is a Gaia Top Portable Mini Fan. So by clicking this one, you'll now be able to be directed in here, and it will show you the details about the product, including the variations of it and other media files. And to start resell this, just click the Rob icon on the top right corner, and you should see an icon that says Add to Shopify. And upon clicking on the button Add to Shopify, after clicking the Chrome extension on the top right corner, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. Now it will show you the product import details, including the title of it, the product type, the vendor, which is Temu in here, or the source platform. But you could also start customizing some other details, including the tags of products, the compare prices in here, the description by clicking this description if you want to add more details, or these images if you also want to add more images of this kind of product. However, since it already have a lot of products images, we can now go to this import section and just proceed by clicking this Add Product to Shopify button to proceed adding this to our Shopify or reselling this in our Shopify store. But as you can see, there's a disclaimer on the right side panel that says that Robo does not support importing of variants, so we'll have to do a variance manually in Shopify. And also it says here that you also need to verify the data before importing to ensure the verification of it. So from here, all we need to do is simply wait for it to load until it is now currently being successful to be added in our Shopify. But while we're waiting for this kind of products to be successfully added or imported to our Shopify, we could also go back to this page of Temu and look for other kind of products that we want to import using this Robo import. So as you can see, we have here different kind of categories of kind of product that we can choose from, such as men's clothing, and I'm going to choose men's shoes. And after that, it will show us in here the variety of men's shoes that is available or that has been selling by other sellers on this Temu. So all we need to do from here is simply choose which kind of shoes we want to resell in our Shopify store. So for instance, in those options, in those category, I'm going to choose this kind of product. So kind of click on it once again, and after clicking this one, it will automatically be directed us on this page. And again, from here to proceed, just click the extension of Robo on the top right corner, and it will show you an option or button that says Add to Shopify. And by simply clicking on it, once again, you'll automatically be directed you on the page like this one. But it takes time in order for it to be imported in our Shopify. So again, you need to be more patient in order to wait for it to load and successfully imported it in our Shopify store. But from here, you'll also start navigating on the left side panel some of the options, including the products, settings, markup, pricing, and many more. But let's say we already had successfully imported the products, we could also go to our Shopify store, and under the product section, you should see here the list of the products, including the Temu products in here. And for instance, let's assume that this kind of product, which is men's bag, is the one that we imported. So by clicking on it, we can start customizing it, including the title of the name of the product, the description of it, the category, the pricing of it, and any other kind of details in here, including the shipping options, and many more. Then just click the save button to proceed. But as you can see, it takes so much time in order to import a product from Temu directly to our Shopify account. So basically, all you need to do to start importing it is to click the icon extension of Robo on the top right corner after choosing or selecting here the product from Temu that you want to resell on our Shopify account. Then you should be able to be directed on the next page or next tab in here, where it will show you the details about the product that you want to resell, including here the title, which is the men's vintage old school style running shoes, the product type, the vendor, which is Temu, the description of it, the images, and after that, just click the import button and click add products to Shopify. But again, as I said earlier, it takes so much time in order to import this product from Temu to our Shopify store using this Robo import products. But if we go back to this page again and we click or view our online store in here, after it has been successfully uploaded or imported the products, you should be able to see here under this featured products or under the catalog section of this website. So basically, importing Temu products to Shopify presents significant advantages for e-commerce businesses looking to expand their product offerings and enhance profitability. So overall, that is just basically how you can resell Temu products. Thank you.